Mastering Your Sleep Cycle. Welcome to CosmoTech Chronicles, your ultimate destination for mastering the art of holistic well-being. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of sleep, exploring how you can optimize your sleep cycle for a rejuvenated mind and body. I'm Sushant, and in this video, we'll navigate through the stages of sleep, decoding its mysteries and uncovering actionable tips for a better night's rest. Before we begin, it's essential to understand that sleep isn't a uniform state. Instead, it's a dynamic process characterized by distinct stages, each playing a vital role in our overall health and wellness. Let's dive into the intricacies of the sleep cycle. According to the National Sleep Foundation, the sleep cycle consists of 4 stages: NREM, non-rapid eye movement, and REM, rapid eye movement, sleep. NREM is further divided into 3 stages, while REM constitutes the final stage of the cycle. Stage 1 of NREM marks the transition from wakefulness to sleep. This phase is brief, lasting only a few minutes, during which you may experience drifting in and out of consciousness. Next comes Stage 2, where your body prepares for deep sleep. Here, your heart rate and body temperature decrease, and brainwave activity slows down. Stage 3, also known as deep sleep or slow-wave sleep, is crucial for physical restoration and growth. It's during this phase that your body repairs tissues, strengthens the immune system, and releases hormones essential for growth and development. Now, let's talk about REM sleep, the stage associated with vivid dreams and cognitive restoration. Despite its name, REM sleep is anything but restful for the body. Your brain becomes highly active, resembling that of wakefulness, while your muscles remain temporarily paralyzed to prevent acting out your dreams. So, how can you master your sleep cycle for optimal rest and well-being? Here are some actionable tips. Prioritize sleep hygiene, establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimize your sleep environment for comfort and tranquility. Mind your lifestyle. Maintain a balanced diet, engage in regular physical activity, and limit caffeine and alcohol intake, especially close to bedtime. Manage stress, practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or gentle yoga to unwind before bed. Limit screen time, minimize exposure to blue light from electronic devices, as it can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. When it comes to the amount of sleep we need, it varies depending on age. The National Sleep Foundation provides general guidelines. Newborns, 0 to 3 months 14 to 17 hours per day. Infants, 4 to 11 months 12 to 15 hours per day. Toddlers, 1 to 2 years 11 to 14 hours per day. Preschoolers, 3 to 5 years 10 to 13 hours per day. School-age children, 6 to 13 years 9 to 11 hours per day. Teenagers, 14 to 17 years 8 to 10 hours per day. Young adults, 18 to 25 years 7 to 9 hours per day. Adults, 26 to 64 years 7 to 9 hours per day. Older adults, 65 plus years 7 to 8 hours per day. Remember, mastering your sleep cycle isn't just about getting more sleep, it's about getting better sleep. By understanding and aligning with your body's natural rhythms, you can unlock the secret to waking up refreshed and revitalized each morning. Implement the tips and techniques we've discussed, and you'll be on your way to better sleep. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments section. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering your sleep cycle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on holistic well-being. Until next time, sleep well and stay tuned to CosmoTech Chronicles.